I'm gonna go check on the birds that are nesting on our porch. I keep a ladder out here because it's actually kind of hard to reach if you don't have something to climb on top of. Last time I checked, the mama bird had laid 6 eggs and 2 of them hatched, so let's see if any more hatched. It's a little tippy. Oh! Oh my gosh. Almost all of them hatched. I think 4 of them hatched and there's 2 eggs left. But I'll have to check up here again with another update on how they're doing because I want to see them when they have feathers.